Hey there, fitness warriors! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things fitness and well-being. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many of you have been asking about: joint pain after workouts. Yes, we've all been there. That post-workout soreness that sometimes goes beyond muscle ache and affects our joints. But fear not. We've got you covered with some valuable insights and tips to keep those joints happy and healthy. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Understanding joint pain. Before we tackle the solutions, it's essential to understand why joint pain can occur after a workout. You see, during exercise, our muscles undergo micro tears and inflammation, which is entirely normal and crucial for muscle growth. However, sometimes this inflammation can spread to the nearby joints, leading to discomfort and pain. Factors like poor form, overtraining, or not giving your body enough time to recover can exacerbate the issue. Number 2. Warm up and cool down. Now that we know the root of the problem, let's discuss the first line of defense: warm up and cool down routines. Warming up properly before a workout helps increase blood flow to your muscles and joints, preparing them for the upcoming stress. Engage in dynamic stretches and low-impact movements to get those joints ready for action. And don't forget the cool down. Gradually bring down your heart rate with static stretches to relax those muscles and reduce the chances of inflammation creeping into the joints. Number 3. Listen to your body. Our bodies are incredible communicators, and they're constantly giving us feedback. One of the keys to preventing joint pain is learning to listen to your body. If you feel sharp or persistent pain during a workout, it's crucial to stop and assess what's going on. Pushing through the pain can lead to more severe issues down the road. Adjust your workouts accordingly, and don't be afraid to take a rest day if your body demands it. Number 4. Mix up your routine. Repetitive strain can also contribute to joint pain, especially if you focus on the same exercises day in and day out. Mixing up your routine not only prevents boredom but also allows specific muscle groups and joints to recover while you target others. Cross-training and varying the intensity of your workouts can go a long way in reducing joint stress. Number 5. Strengthen muscles around joints. A secret weapon against joint pain is strengthening the muscles surrounding the joints. When these muscles are weak, they put more strain on the joint itself, leading to discomfort. So, incorporate exercises that target these stabilizing muscles, such as resistance training or bodyweight exercises. Strong muscles act as shock absorbers for your joints and help protect them during intense workouts. Number 6. Nutrition and hydration. Fitness isn't just about what happens inside the gym, it's also about what you put into your body. Proper nutrition and hydration are essential for joint health. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and chia seeds, can help reduce inflammation. And don't forget about hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your joints lubricated and healthy. Number 7. Recovery and rest. Last but not least, recovery and rest are critical for preventing joint pain. Your body needs time to repair and rejuvenate after intense workouts. Make sure to get enough sleep, as this is when your body does most of its healing. Additionally, consider incorporating active recovery days into your routine, where you engage in light activities like walking or yoga to promote blood flow and aid recovery. Alright, my fellow fitness enthusiasts, you now have the knowledge and tools to tackle joint pain head-on. Remember, joint health is a journey, and it's essential to be patient with yourself. Listen to your body, incorporate these tips into your routine, and you'll be well on your way to a pain-free and strong future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fitness buddies. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and keep pushing towards your goals. See you soon!